Get out the car.
Please, please.
Get out the car.
Okay, stop it.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground, put your hands behind your back.
Give me your license.
You're not pulling me
Give me your
over.
license.
You cannot pull me over.
You did not have your seat. If you
I do have
listen,
my seatbelt on.
if you don't get out the car, you're under arrest.
You cannot arrest
Listen,
me.
you are now under arrest. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Like, what are y'all doing? Do y'all see this?
Pepper spray?
No, you get out the car.
Are you serious? Oh my God!
I tell you to get out the car. You get out the car.
Yes, you're under arrest.
For what?
On April 22nd, 2024, 2 traffic violations in Florida escalated to criminal arrests. We'll analyze the core legal issues through the lens of U.S. Supreme Court precedent and Florida state law.
44, did you have traffic?
Duran, 15 or something.
Show you 10:15 at 10:43 hours.
Stop. Stop. Stop the car. 1046, St. John.
10:46, call your park.
Stop the car. Stop it. Stop the car. Get
I
out.
did.
Get out the car.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to stop. You're not stopping. Get out the car.
Why?
Get out the car.
Why?
Because I said so. Get out the
How
car.
come?
Get out the damn car. Get out. Before I rip you out. Get out. Ma'am, get out the car. Get out the car.
Please, please.
Get out the car.
Okay, stop it.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground, put your hands behind your back. Tonight, 1046, 1 secure.
10:44. 46 radio.
Roll on your side.
Oh,
Sit up. What are you doing? I'm telling you to stop back there. You're laying on the horn. You won't stop. You try to evade me.
can I get an unlock, please?
Oh, what?
An unlock?
Unlock what? Your
A key to
handcuffs?
unlock.
No.
Why?
Because I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
I have no clue.
Forward in that car your park.
I don't use glue. You want to switch sunglasses?
Downgrade. No, what is your problem? What? Who are you? What are you doing? You don't see me standing right there?
I can't see out of
You
these.
can downgrade.
Are you okay mentally?
I
Is there
can't
something
get up.
wrong?
Can you help me up?
I'm not letting you up. Why would I let you
I
up?
can't. I've been hurt.
Okay, well,
Sit down for a second and just talk to her.
What are you talking about?
the fact that I'm standing right there and you about hit me with your car.
Oh, okay.
You're laying on the
I
horn.
need to
you're doing
go
donuts.
to the bathroom.
Where are you going?
Done.
Where are you
Done.
going? All right. I didn't know where were you.
What's your name?
Where's my glasses?
They're probably in your car, but what's your name?
My name?
Your name.
T-E-R-A.
Tara? What's your last
Where's
name?
my glasses? I can't see.
Is this your car, Miss Tara?
My eyes are...
Okay.
She was doing donuts over there in the parking lot. She is being arrested. I told her to stop. She was laying on the horn over there. Drives right by me. I'm telling her stop, stop, stop. She won't stop. She tries to basically get out and get away from me. So because of that, she's being arrested. I tell her to get out the car. She refuses to get out the car. So she's getting hit with resisting and fleeing in a elude. All right, and then criminal mischief depending on the damage. So we're gonna release the car to you.
I'm her mother.
Are you the RO of the vehicle?
No, that's my other daughter, but she isn't able to drive it.
All right.
But she took the car by force,
all right.
basically. I mean, today she was supposed to have some doctors come and evaluate her, but the police were there yesterday and made a report because she's very mentally disturbed.
Like Alright, so obviously she was over here. I'm not sure if these are also her.
I mean, honestly, it's raking and I can stick a roller on it. I mean, cause, yeah, we're talking the labor and just bringing equipment out here, $1,000. Because we ain't, I mean, if it was a fresh field and they had grass, now we're getting into some money. But we don't want the grass is hurting anyway. If there was turf out here, it could be in the 5,000 to 10,000.
She didn't have a kid with her, did she?
No. So you guys want to pursue charges on this? The $1,000?
Yeah, hell yeah. Stupid enough people to do this shit.
Incident 1 began when an officer observed reckless driving under Florida Statute 316.192. When ordered to stop, the subject refused multiple commands. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, officers have absolute authority to order occupants from vehicles during any lawful traffic stop without additional justification. Use of force must be evaluated under the Graham versus Connor standard from 1989. The court ruled force must be objectively reasonable based on a reasonable officer's perspective at that moment, not with hindsight. 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat, and active resistance or flight. Here, the subject violated Florida Statute 843.02, resisting officer without violence by refusing lawful commands. Driving past the officer while honking constitutes fleeing or eluding law enforcement under Florida Statute 316.1935. Empty hand control force was reasonable under the Graham standard. The complicating factor was the subject's apparent mental health crisis. The mother revealed a psychiatric evaluation was scheduled for that day. This represents a systemic gap. A person in mental health emergency was processed through criminal justice rather than connected to mental health services.
Roll your window down.
Yes, sir.
I need your license.
I don't have nothing on me.
You didn't have your seatbelt. You didn't have your seatbelt on.
I got it on.
You didn't have your seatbelt
I
on.
got it on.
Open the door. You didn't have your seatbelt on.
I'm not opening up nothing.
Give me your
You're
license.
Not pulling me over.
Give me your license.
You're not pulling me
Give me
over.
your license.
You cannot pull me over.
You did not have your seat. If you
I do have
listen,
my seatbelt on.
if you don't get out the car, you're under arrest.
You cannot arrest
Listen,
me.
you are now under arrest. Get out the car. 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 Get out the car.
Oh, I'm out.
Get out the car.
I'm out.
Get out the car. Get out the car.
Like, what are y'all doing? Do y'all see this?
Pepper spray? No, get out the car.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
I tell you to get out the car. You get out the car.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? I didn't do
Resisting
nothing.
because I told you to give me your license.
I don't have my license on me. Sir, I don't have my license on me, okay? But like, you're being aggressive with me.
Have on your seatbelt. I told you to give me your license. Yeah, pull over here.
You
Direct them.
You broke
Listen.
the window.
Listen. Listen to me.
Wow, like this is all on the dash cam too, right? This is on dash cam, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's on camera.
Let me grab my this box out of here.
Wow, this is crazy. You're detaining me for nothing.
No. I told you did.
detaining
Listen to
me.
me. You did not have on your seatbelt. I explained to you didn't have on seatbelt. I needed your license. What did you tell me?
I put my seatbelt on.
That does not make a difference.
And then y'all taking my
Go.
car? That's not even my car. That's my mother's
listen,
car.
You are now under arrest for resisting.
Can I please?
Get in the car.
Listen.
Get in the car or you will be pepper sprayed. Get in the car. I'm not going to tell you again. Get in the car.
I need to contact my mother.
Get in the car.
Okay, but I need to contact my mother, officer, please. That is her vehicle.
Get in the car.
Okay, but that's her car. Like, why are y'all taking me to the police department? And
Not booking.
y'all not taking me to booking?
First stop is the police department and then booking.
But why am I being arrested for resisting arrest if I was never, like what y'all doing is illegal.
I understand what you feel.
I'm gonna fight this in court.
Well, You have your shot. You have your option of fighting this in court.
I am gonna fight this in court, and y'all gonna pay for all of this.
Yeah, by law, you have the right to fight in court.
I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing. Absolutely nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
I got you.
And then he's gonna take my phone.
Incident 2, seatbelt violation under Florida Statute 316.614. When asked for license, the subject refused and claimed the officer could not pull her over. This is a serious legal error. Florida Statute 322.15 requires drivers to carry a valid license while operating a vehicle. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, officers may arrest even for minor offenses. When the subject refused to provide identification and refused to exit the vehicle, the officer had legal grounds for arrest. Multiple refusals constitute obstruction under Florida Statute 843.02. The arrested only for resisting arrest paradox doesn't apply here. There must be an initial lawful basis for arrest. In this case, seatbelt violation and failure to provide license. The resisting charge is additional, not the sole basis. Grades. Incident 1, Officer B+. Lawful but lacking mental health crisis de-escalation skills. Subject D, unlawful behavior but impacted by mental illness. Department B, lacking crisis intervention protocols. Incident 2, Officer C+, lawful but rapid escalation with minimal communication attempts. Subject D- created entire situation through refusal of lawful commands based on incorrect understanding of law. Key lessons. 1. During traffic stops, you must comply with lawful commands. 2. Refusing to provide driver's license is a separate offense. 3. If you believe a stop is unlawful, comply on scene and challenge in court. 4. Resisting only adds charges and risk of force. 5. Systems need crisis intervention teams to divert people in mental health emergencies from jail to treatment. 6. Body camera footage provides transparency and evidence for both prosecution and defense. 7. Understanding basic traffic law and police authority is every licensed driver's responsibility. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.